Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and for all those times I have featured icon packs, right? Icon packs, illustration and tons of other things. But today I have icon pack for your Notion. Yes, for your Notion specifically. So let's see what we have today and let's discover the platform as well. Okay? So let's get started right into the video. So here we are at Notion icons. As simple name as it possibly could be. Now you may ask, you can use anything as an icon in your Notions, and why you need a icon pack of just dedicated to Notion? Because why not, right? Because Notion is such a powerful thing. It should have everything, right? So yeah, here is your icon tool, and if you click on like launch icon tool, it will open a tab for you. I have already opened that, so I am not opening it again. So right now here we don't have too many icons that I can see over here, and you can toggle between dark mode and light mode as well, and you can change the color to anything you would like. Okay, like anything, seriously anything. See, like I like this color so much. Okay, and you can adjust your background as well, like for dark mode. See, you can adjust your background to maybe match up the color or whatever. Okay, so let's just match up the color. uh Wait, what was that? Yeah, I got the color, and here the color is, कलर नहीं लिया क्या तूने? Okay, this is why it's not taking the color. So obviously it is case sensitive then. Yeah, we're totally matched up then. Okay, so now from here you can simply like click on it. It will get copied and it will specifically give you a link. Okay, now go to your Notion file, click on add icon, click on it, click on link, paste your link, click on submit, and your icon will appear in no time. That's how easy it is. And the most thing I love about this actually this icon pack is this is just giving you this that link. That's it, because that makes it much more easier to use as well. Okay, rather than any other platform, because obviously other platforms are made for like to download the icons as svg, maybe as png, maybe whatever format you like, but this is specifically made for using in Notion, as Notion suits it. Okay, whatever is better in Notion. Okay, now we have three of the libraries, I think, like style libraries. One is OpenMoji, one is Phosphorus icons, another is material design. But I don't know why we don't have too many icons of each one of them. Here in this section we can see more like a different kind of video that is playing over here, but here is something different. But whatever, as we can see right now it is in beta mode, so we can't like expect too much from it. But whatever it is great, and what I hope is obviously eventually it will grow, because that's what's important. Okay, and eventually they will provide background less emojis, not emojis, icons as well. That I hope so. Whatever, so that's it for this video. This is how you use it. Let me know if you're gonna use it platform or not, like if you're gonna like it or not. And if you like my videos in general, give it a thumbs up, like boost up the algorithm. भाई मेरे channel को भी growth दो यार. Whatever, so like my videos, comment on them, subscribe to my channel. That will be great, like that will be really really helpful. And if you know about some other great platforms like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. Bye for now.